In this video, I'm going to show you how to get OneNote to open on startup so it launches automatically every time you turn on your computer. This is a simple setup, but it can save you time if you use OneNote every day for notes, classes, meetings, or work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in Windows and how to make sure OneNote is enabled to start with your PC. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time. This opens Task Manager, which is where Windows lets you manage startup apps and background programs. If Task Manager opens in the Simple view, don't worry, just continue with the next step and look for the Startup Apps section on the left panel. Once Task Manager is open, click on Startup Apps from the left-hand menu. This section shows the programs that are allowed to run when your computer starts. Now scroll down through the list until you find OneNote. Depending on your version of Windows and how many apps you have installed, it may take a moment to locate it, so take your time and look carefully. When you find OneNote, right-click on it. A menu will appear, and from that menu, select Enable. This tells Windows that OneNote should be allowed to launch at startup. After you enable it, check the right side of the list. You should see that its status is now labeled as enabled. That means the setting worked, and OneNote is now configured to open when your computer starts. If it was already enabled, then there's nothing else you need to change. And that's all there is to it. You've now made OneNote open on startup in Windows. If this saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips, Windows tutorials, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.